What's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday. Today is February the 11th. I'm out here in Liburn, Georgia. I went out this morning and did a consultation in St. Marlo's Country Club. She booked her appointment for this Saturday. I'm going to be doing close to 2,000 square feet screen and recoat with UV cure. So she took my last spot for Saturday. So anyway, guys, this is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Daniels. I came out here about 2 weeks ago. They did a paid consultation. Small project. It really landed for my $750 minimum. I do have a $750 minimum, so this is probably less than 100 square feet. Going to be doing a partial part of the kitchen and also a potty room. So let me flip this around and show you what I got going today. So I am working solo. Like I said, this is a very small project that I'm doing. It's a little gloomy. It's raining today and tomorrow. Then the sun would be back out Thursday. And so far booked all the way up until next Friday. And like I said, that consultation that I did this morning in St. Marlo, she took my appointment for this Saturday. So anyway, guys, I'm going to just be doing, I just taped off right here. So all I'm going to be doing is this kitchen area. They had a little water damage, and I did tell them I cannot, but I'm going to do a little color correction right here. So we're going to screen this down. I want to screen it down. And then I taped it off right here. And then I'm going to be doing this little area hallway. Now I do let clients know when the wood flows in together. If they don't want to do the entire area, there will be a start and stop mark from the new poly. And some people, they just don't care. But this bathroom right here really has taken a wear. So I'm going to screen this down really good. So I'm going to hit this first, this little area. And then this kitchen area right here. And like I said, it's just this area with this little sitting and dining room. And that's it, guys. So, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I got the floor screened, vacuum cleaned, color correct. That looks so much better. Had to do some scraping in there. So I've already got the coating down here. Going with a semi-gloss, the reason why their floors do have a sheen. So I want to kind of match that sheen as much as possible. Also, too, you guys, if you don't remember, about 3 months ago, I went out to this luxury apartment complex in Buckhead. And one of my students, Mr. David Brockman from the Carolinas, we did two floors, UV cure color correction, because they had got some outrageous quotes to replace the floors. And Miss Cash, who's the property manager, just called me and asked me how soon can I get a property done. So I told her I could squeeze it in Friday. So Friday we actually have a screen or recoat engineered floor with UV cure. So there right now is 4 UV cure jobs for this week. And I had to squeeze her in because I told her my next appointment wouldn't be available until next Saturday. So I told her I'll squeeze her in because it's just a 1-bedroom apartment. All right, guys, I'm going ahead and get the coating down here. Stay tuned. All the missing color, I added the color back.
So you are going to put another?
Yes, yes, sir. All right, guys. Floors look great. Clients very happy. And also, too, like I said, that's why I went with a semi-gloss. But you can just see how much refreshed these floors are. You can't really see, but I can see a lot of scuff marks in this floor. But if you really look, the sheen is not that much different. So I did a good job. What is this? Oh, it came off here. I did a great job matching the coating, so you really don't see a big difference. So,
Okay.
right. No, I'm talking to my video.
Oh.
So that's my client right there, George. George, how did you hear about me again? You Google?
Google.
Google. Yeah. Thank you. All right, and then I'm gonna show you guys this potty room. Also, too, guys, I think I did tell y'all that I booked the luxury. See right here, that looks a whole lot better. All right. So the luxury apartments that I did in Buckhead, they need a unit done ASAP. And I told her the only time I can do is squeeze them in Friday. We have a screen and recoat UV cure to do on Friday. And I told her after we're done with that, it's in Cummings, I can shoot straight up 400 into Buckhead and take care of that. So I got another one booked for Friday. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Going to go ahead and head in. Enjoy the rest of my day. See you tomorrow.